Hello. In this video, we are going to learn how to view and edit files in Ubuntu. Let's begin. The first thing to do is to open your terminal and change directory to your preferred folder. Once done, let's move to the next step of editing files using the Nano command. All you need to do is type Nano and press enter. In this case, you will be creating a new file and editing it. Let's add some information to our file. After adding the information, you click Ctrl+X to exit the editing screen and you will get a prompt asking you whether you would like to save modified buffer. Type Y. Typing Y will result in another prompt asking you to type the file name. Let's type file1.txt and press enter. We have just saved the file we have edited as file1.txt. We can confirm this by using the ls command to see the file, and there it is. Apart from using the Nano command alone, we can use Nano plus a file name. For instance, we can type a nano file2.txt command and press enter. If the file2.txt exists, it will be opened for editing. If it doesn't exist, it will be created and opened for editing like in our case. We can now edit the file by filling it with some information. Once done, click Ctrl+X to exit the editing mode and you will likewise get a prompt asking you whether you would like to save the modified buffer. Type Y and you will get another prompt asking whether you would like to save the file with the file name you specified earlier, which was file2.txt. Just press enter. And with that, you will have edited the file. You can confirm whether or not it exists using the ls command, and there it is. You can as well confirm by going to the home directory and double-clicking the documents folder to see the files inside it. You will get both file1.txt and file2.txt inside the folder. Now let's focus on the cat, more, and less commands for viewing the files we have created. To use cat, simply type cat file1.txt and cat file2.txt to view file1 and file2 respectively. To use the more command, simply type more file1.txt and more file2.txt to view the two files. Do the same with the less command. You will realize that with the less command, you can navigate the files page by page using the arrow keys or page up page down keys, and it supports scrolling backwards as well. To exit, you simply click Ctrl+C. Let's say you had a very large file and you want to see only the first 10 or 5 lines. In this case, you use the head command. You type head n10 file1.txt to see the first 10 lines. To view the first 5 lines of your file, you use the command head n5 file1.txt. If you wanted to view the last 10 lines of your file, you use the tail command instead. You type tail n10 file1.txt. To view the last 3 lines, you type tail n3 file1.txt. And with that, we have learned how to edit and view files in Ubuntu. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.